The Meralco Bolts continue to build on their winning ways with a back-to-back victory against Terra Firma. Welcome to the post-game press conference. I'm joined by your best player of the game, Bong Quinto. Congratulations, Bong. At the start of the coverage, ina-emphasize ni Coach Luigi how important it was to have a strong start. At ginawa niyo yun today, leading by double digits throughout the game. At na-achieve niyo rin yung biggest win margin in franchise history of Meralco. How did you like the body language na nakita mo sa inyong mga teammates and just the overall demeanor that your teammates as well displayed in today's game compared to your last victory?
Wala, pasalamat muna ako kay Lord na binigyan niya kami ng magandang game and iningatan niya kami sa buong game. At dun sa sinabi mo, talagang ready naman kami every game namin. Especially sa practice namin, talagang yun, sila Coach Luigi, Coach Nenad, talagang pinupush nila kami na lahat ng dapat naming gawin sa game, gawin na namin sa practice para masanay kami. So, kaya siguro lahat ng player na ginamit talagang ready maglaro. Lalo na yung mga bago namin, si CJ, si Kurt, sila Alvin, Brandon. So, actually lahat ng ginamit na player ngayon talagang nag-contribute.
Thanks, Bong. Now, Coach Luigi, as Bong mentioned, the Bolts never stop stepping on the gas on both ends of the floor. Kahit wala ning mga starters inside the court. How does the performance today add up to your overall goal of being able to defend your title this conference?
Yeah, what I thought was good was yung first quarter namin, the first game and then our 3 tune-up games, we don't start well, right? So we have a lot of respect sa Terra Firma because we played them in the tune-up. At the half, I think we were even down by 2. Right, and then they beat Phoenix, right? And they're missing some guys. Wala yung Carino. Obviously, Stan Hardinger's not there with them. I'm missing one more player. But they're a different team probably when they're complete, right? But nice thing to say, like Bong said, kahit our veterans, they played well. Yung mga rookie, they played well also. I think in the second quarter, we were saying, lumamang kami ng 20, and then they came back to 7, right? So just focus on what they're doing. We're feeling good. You know, guys are making their shots. We have our point of attack. This nice also now. We continue to get that lead, but we have a big one on Wednesday, San Miguel.